Hi guys, in this video we are going to be doing 2 sessions of body sculpting. The first session is going to be cavitation and radial frequency, and then we're also going to do some laser liposuction as well as the Brazilian butt lift, and I am going to show you the results of both. So let's go ahead and get right into the video.
City of mine, how I love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a body sculpting session. So you're going to get your conductive medium. For this video I'm going to be using the Eveline Cosmetics Cosmetic Liposuction Slim Extreme 4D Slimming Serum. So for this session, guys, we are going to use the specialized mode, and then we're going to hit cavitation 30 and RF. For this part of the session, I am going to do 20 minutes of the cavitation because on this machine, it's cavitation and radial frequencies simultaneously. So I'm going to turn the cavitation up to the highest level 10, and then radial frequency, I'm going to turn up pretty high. But if you're doing this on yourself or others, pay attention because it can get pretty hot. You might not want to start it on 9, so maybe start it earlier in like 5, 6, and then see where you go from there. So to start, we are going to apply the conductive medium and then go ahead and get started. I went ahead and pressed start on the machine, and I am going to start in circular motions. When you're doing this, you want to do it at a nice steady pace, not too fast, not too slow, and always keep the probe moving or else you will definitely burn yourself or others. You never want to just leave the probe on because it will get really hot. So again, I am doing circular motions counterclockwise, and as you can see, I'm staying in the same quadrant. I'm pretty much just over here on the left side, and I'm going to do this probably for about 5 minutes, and then I'll go over to the right side, and then I'll like do another motion going back and forth. After that 5 minutes over there, I move on over to the next side, and I am doing the same things, going in a circular motion, nice, slow, and steady pace. Be sure to keep reapplying the serum as needed. The probe should be gliding gently on the skin. It shouldn't be having any friction or anything like that, so be generous with the conductive medium. And also make sure you have a conductive medium because not all gels are conductive, so don't just buy sonogram gel off of Amazon. Please look into what you are getting, and if you do just buy regular sonogram gel, you can make it conductive by adding a pinch of salt. Go ahead and look that up too. I'm not going to get into that video, but definitely make sure your medium is conductive or none of this is going to work, guys. None of the body sculpting. After about 5 minutes of staying on that side, I switched to the front side, mainly focusing on the belly. And as you can see, I'm still just doing the circular motions, but I'm just going to start going from side to side, back and forth. With 10 minutes remaining in this portion of the session, I am probably going to do this for another 5 minutes, and then I'll start again with my circular motions on each side. There is no real way that you can go wrong doing this, as long as you just focus on one area like you've seen me doing. You really want to give the machine time to cavitate the fat, so don't move it too fast, and also don't be all over the place. Just stay in one area, moving slowly and steadily over the body. So I'm just going to speed this up while I finish up the 20-minute session. Again, I did 20 minutes of the cavitation and radial frequency for the first part of the session. After this, we are going to do the laser lipo with the 160 megawatt pads. This is the results, and as you can see, things are pretty loosey-goosey here. You can really see and feel that the fat has been cavitated. Literally, it's loose liquid that needs to be pee-pooped or sweated out, guys. So for the next part, the laser lipo is pretty self-explanatory, especially with this machine. It's only laser lipo pads. There is no other option. I just put it on the first mode. I turned mine all the way up. Again, you want to test out temperatures. Lighter skinned people, they tend to burn when it's turned up that high, so just be mindful of that. If you are doing this on yourself or others and they are not as, brown skinned, maybe start at 5, 6, see how it goes. Just make sure it's not burning them, but they very well could get burned if it is on the highest one and they have really pale skin. So just be mindful of that, you guys. I'm just going to put on a few around my tummy area. For laser lipo, you definitely can put them on the back. With the cavitation and radial frequency, see it's a little bit more iffy about doing it on the back. I do not recommend it because you're close to your spine. Some body sculptors will do it carefully, but again, that's up to your discretion if you want to risk it like that. But for the most part, if you're trying to get rid of back fat, I highly suggest you use laser lipo. Laser lipo is definitely safe and effective for that, but I am not putting any on my back. I'm just putting them literally just on my tummy and a little bit on the side. Again, I'm just doing some routine maintenance, and I'm going to sit here for 30 minutes actually. So this total session is about 50 minutes. I could have did 30 and just made it an hour, but especially if you're working on clients, you'll find that if you can just get good effective results for them, nobody wants to be sitting there for hours. You know, when I first started my body sculpting business, at one point my sessions were 2 hours long, and that was just ridiculous. I learned very quickly nobody wants to sit there for that long. So that's another reason I am using these 160 megawatt pads instead of using my other S-shape machine, because the other S-shape machine I have, I'll put it up on the screen, it has the laser lipo pads as well as a cavitation and radio frequency. However, when you buy those like 6-in-1 machines, most of the time the laser pads you're going to get are going to be 5 megawatts. Now, they aren't useless. You can definitely use them. They're more for, I'd say, snatching the body up. They're more for skin tightening. They're more for, like bringing everything all together, tightening the skin, producing the collagen and elastin and the things that radio frequency do. I would not say that they are for fat loss. Never use them for a standalone session alone. This machine that I have right now that is going to be linked below, you can use this as a standalone session alone, literally. And also, here's a pro tip: these laser lipo machines, the 160 megawatt ones, work better for bigger people, and then the cavitation radio frequency works better for smaller framed people. So as you can see, I started with the cavitation and radio frequency because I am smaller framed, and I'm mainly using the laser lipo to destroy a little bit more fat, but also to tighten everything up at the end. Laser lipo is really good to use at the end of your sessions if you are going to be doing it in the combination with cavitation and radio frequency. I always did my laser lipo at the end. Again, you can do it at the beginning. It probably still will be effective. This is just my method. So I am going to sit here, guys, for 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up because there's nothing to see here. I probably won't even speed it up that long, and we can just get right on into the results of this session. And then also, I did wait 3 days and I did another session, a different session where I did just laser lipo, and then I did a Brazilian butt lift. So stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and see the results of this session today. So here's an update, and see how I said it kind of snatches things up. It's like less loose skin. The skin is looking tighter. It's giving snatch literally already, you guys. I'm telling you, the laser lipo, especially the 160 megawatt ones, are top tier. And again, they could have been used alone as a standalone session.
3 days later.
Hey guys, it is a few days later, and I wanted to show you guys a series of 2 sessions in this video. So the last time you guys seen me, I did the cavitation radio frequency and then the laser pads. Today I am going to just be doing the lasers again, and then I'm also going to be doing the butt lift. So let's see what we're looking like now. This is 3 days later. Remember I told you guys you need to give time for your body to detox. So this is it. About 3 days later. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna just make this even more snatch. So as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, when you do body sculpting sessions, give yourself 72 hours to see results. You will see some right away, but you're not gonna see optimal results until at least the 3rd day, because obviously when we're doing the stuff on our bodies, you don't see anything coming out, right? Because there's no incisions or anything. The only way the fat is going to come out after is through pee, poop, and sweat. I cannot stress this enough. So if you have to drink the water, you have to pee. If you drink minimal water and you pee minimally, that's cool, but the fat you just cavitated and everything, where is it going? How is it getting, the 3 days is necessary. And if you're running a body sculpting business, it's important to tell your clients, if you're not going to do what I told you and either drink lots of water and pee it out, poop, you'll naturally just be pooping. You'll find that your body's trying to get the stuff out. But if you can like take those detox pills and poop even more, laxatives, like whatever you have to do to pee, poop, or sweat. I have a sauna. I'll just link it because nowadays you can get a sauna on Amazon that you can literally, a portable one, a steam sauna that you can just set up here in the living room, zip it up, and it's under $100. So if you're not going to exercise and sweat, just get in a sauna. If you know you're not going to drink water and pee, get a sauna or something, you know. But if you're not going to do the necessary things after a body sculpting session, I'm telling you, you are wasting your time. I'm sorry. I'm not even going to sit here and lie and try to sell you on no machine, knowing that you're not going to do the aftercare and it's just not going to work. But if you do the work, it definitely will work. So I am going to do the lasers today. Just the lasers while I do the butt session. This is another thing you guys can do if you are a body sculptor. This can be a standalone session on its own. Laser lipo plus the Brazilian butt lift. We can do them for about 30 or 40 minutes, even an hour if you wanted to. I'm probably just going to do 40 minutes. On the vacuum butt lift and the laser lipo pads, just so we can snatch up the stomach some more and then pump the butt a little. So again, let's check it out. Here's the butt before. We're gonna do that after. So these are the two machines we are using. I'm gonna turn them on. I'm going to have both of these machines linked down below. These are the same lasers from last time. Again, we are using the 160 megawatt LED lasers because these are for what? Fat loss specifically, unlike the 5 megawatt ones. So go ahead and tap that screen. I'm going to turn this up to 40 minutes. I'm going to turn it all the way up. And let's do mode B this time since we did mode A the other time. Got that together. And then for the butt, I'm gonna turn this up to 20. Last time I was able to do 25. This one has pretty powerful suction, so I mean putting it up there is really, really high. So yeah, last time I did 25-ish. Let's just do 22 because it sucks pretty hard. And turn this up to 40. Vacuum maintain time, I like to do 4 seconds and then maybe like 1.5 second release. Yeah, let's do that. Let's turn it on mode 0. Well, let's do mode 1. So I'm going to just do this literally from the comfort of my own couch. Okay, so to get myself set up, I have the band laid out flat because I'm going to be putting it on myself. So to make it easy, I laid them flat and I'm going to lay on top of it and then just strap the band onto myself. If you're a body sculptor or doing this on a person, I also like to lay a few out flat too, and then it's easier to have them lay on it and then put the straps on around their back and sides, and then you can just add more to the sides and back if you were doing the sides and back. I have my butt pads here. I'm going to put those on first and then lay down. Real quick, because I might not be able to show you this on the camera, you want to make sure these curved parts go at the bottom and top curve of the butt here. That's how you're going to place them. We got the curved side, and we're going to just slide straight on up like this. It's going to start sucking. Perfect. Now I can lay out. You got the laser pads on. This is some talent. Can you guys tell I do this all the time? Definitely do this all the time. On myself. To stay snatched. Okay, so I've sped this part up because it's obviously self-explanatory. I just sat here for the entire duration of the 40 minutes and I just let the machines do all the work. This is a very easy standalone session. You can probably charge $150 for a session like this, and it requires no work from you as a body sculptor. Okay guys, we are nearing the end of the session. I believe I have 2 to 3 minutes left based on my phone. However, I do have to go to the bathroom, and I wanted to come on here and say that because if you are a body sculpting instructor, it's nice to go check in on your clients. I'm not sure if you stay in the room while they're doing laser lipo, but especially if you're doing like a 30, 40 definitely, if you're doing an hour session, you're gonna want to go check in on them to see if they have to use the bathroom, because like I said, if you can pee, poop, or sweat it out, that's the best. But it is going to make you have to feel like you have to pee and poop, and right now I definitely have to go to the bathroom. I was trying my best to wait the whole 40 minutes, but it's definitely already working, and I have to go to the bathroom now, so I am going to stop it. I do know, like I said, I have like maybe 2 minutes left, but I'm not gonna make it, you guys. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna show you guys the results of this session. There's the tummy. And again, give this 3 more days. It's gonna be snatched, you guys. Give it 3 more days. And look at the butt. Yes, definitely lifted, very much rounded. These machines will be linked down below. If you are looking for a very easy body sculpting, girl, just the laser lipo and the Brazilian butt will keep your waist snatched and your butt plump. If you did want to go ahead and get the S-shape home machine, that is a very good option if you are into the cavitation and radio frequency. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video, and I'll see you guys back in another body sculpting